How to open snaps on Snapchat web without phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can open up snaps on Snapchat web without your phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To open snaps on Snapchat web without your phone, it's actually quite very simple to do. All you have to do is, first of all, if you open your browser and then you go to Snapchat web, you can see when trying to open a snap, it says new snap on mobile. But we don't have a mobile phone, but we still want to view the snap. Now, one thing is that you can't view the snaps from the web. But what you can do is you don't actually need a real smartphone to do this. You can download a smartphone emulator or Android emulator known as BlueStacks, right? So in your browser, go ahead and type in BlueStacks and make sure to download the BlueStacks Android emulator and install it on your computer. Once you have done that, simply open up BlueStacks and you will see somewhat this type of interface where you'll find Google Play Store. Remember, BlueStacks is an Android emulator, so whatever you can do on your Android phone can also be done on this app. Open up Google Play Store over here. In the search bar, just go ahead and search for Snapchat and then click on Snapchat. Here you can see Play on App Player. So click on Play on App Player and you'll find Snapchat pop up here. Now this is actually an Android version of Snapchat, so you won't have any restrictions as you can see. All you have to do now is just click the login button and then you'll be able to go ahead and then log in and view the snaps without Snapchat web and without a phone. So hope this video helped you as to how you can open Snapchats on laptop or Snapchat web without a phone. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.